Right.
Yo, hello, it's Revy here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make a VHS effect. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to duplicate this layer, so you press Ctrl D, and then we're going to pre-compose this layer above, and you can name this chroma, and then here we're going to change the composition settings. So you go into composition settings, and then the width is going to be 40 pixels and the height is going to be 480. This should be good. And now we're also going to fix the scale here. So you can press S and then put this to 45 and this one to 2.8. So it will look something like this. And then you go back to composition and you pre-compose the other layer, and you can name this Luma. And here we're going to go into the composition settings again, and then the width is going to be 320 and the height is going to be 480 again. That should be good. And now we're going to fix the scale here as well. So you can press S, start off by scaling this down to 45% and put this one to 22.5. Something like that, looks good. Now we can go back to composition again. So now we're going to fix the composition settings, this comp as well. So you come here, composition settings, and then change this to 640 and the height to 480 again. And the frame rate should be 20. And this is just my personal preference. So yeah, something like this. And then from here, we're going to open up Luma, transform, and then we're going to fix the scale here. So you can uncheck this link here and then type in 1600%, something like that. And then Luma, open it up, transform, unlink the scale and type in 200. And we're going to change the blending mode here to color. Now you get a pretty good looking VHS effect, and you can also pre-compose both of these. Name this VHS, and now we're going to add a adjustment layer. So Ctrl Alt Y, and the first effect we're going to add here is called Fast Box Blur, and you increase this to 1 iteration to 3. And then we're going to add Unsharp Mask and increase the amount to 100 and the radius to 4. And the next effect we're going to add is add grain. So yeah, something like that, and drag down the intensity to 0.5 and choose final output so it applies to the whole video here. And then we're going to add wave warp, go to smooth noise, wave height to 3 and the direction to 0, wave speed to 4, pinning all edges, anti-aliasing high quality. This already looks pretty good, but what I like to do is to add a little bit more overlays and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna add that. Okay, so when you have added your overlay, you can change the blending mode to soft light, just like that, and then decrease the opacity to 50%, and then also add flickers and increase the amplitude to 1, random color amplitude to 1 as well. And you can leave the rest from there. So now the overlay is like flickering between colors here. And the last thing we're going to do to make this perfect is to select the VHS layer, then add Displacer Pro, and you go to map layer and choose your overlay. And then here, change the translate X to 1%, then the translate Y to -5%. So now you get this glitch here, which I think looks pretty good. And you can also change the edge behavior to mirror repeat. So yeah, I think that looks pretty good. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any new ideas on tutorials, please comment that down below. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Have a nice day.